Are you ready to transform your business? Introducing the Profitune Business Diagnostic Toolkit in collaboration with Business Profit Growth, the essential resource for entrepreneurs, executives, and small business owners looking to enhance revenue growth and profitability. First, we dive deep into your business to identify what's working and what needs a fresh approach. We ask critical questions. Where are you now? Where do you want to be? By when? And what is your capacity for change? This sets the stage for impactful transformation. Our comprehensive business analysis provides clarity on your current performance and future goals, accompanied by a thorough cost-benefit analysis. While you complete our engaging questionnaire that uncovers the core of your business, we conduct in-depth market research, gathering insights from your chosen customers and suppliers for a holistic view. Each piece of data is securely analyzed, leading to a raw business analysis report. An accredited business improvement specialist will then interpret this report with you, laying out clear strategies for performance enhancement. Take the first step towards unparalleled growth and success. Discover how a Profitune Business Diagnostic, in collaboration with Business Profit Growth, can reshape your business journey today.